Welcome to this Python tutorial, where I walk you through the installation of Python interpreter on your computer and present you different ways of using the interpreter. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. Python is a programming language used to make instructions to computers. It's interpreted, meaning it needs an interpreter to execute the code. If you are curious what exactly an interpreter is and how it works, check out my other video on this topic. So let me demonstrate how to install a Python interpreter on macOS, though it's just as simple on Windows. First, visit python.org and go to the download section. Download the latest version of Python. For me, it's Python 3.12. Once downloaded, open the installation package and follow the installation process. The Python interpreter typically installs at usr local bin python 3.12 in my case. An executable file you can run by typing python 3.12 in your terminal, or even python 3 will be enough. The installation directory can be customized during setup. The interpreter behaves like a Unix shell, running commands interactively when read from a terminal. It prompts for the next command with 3 greater than signs. For continuation lines, it shows 3 dots. And if a line does not have a prompt, it means it's an output. To exit the interpreter, use the end of file character, Ctrl+D on Mac or Ctrl+Z on Windows, or just type quit with parentheses at the end. When you call the Python interpreter with a file name, it reads and executes a script from that file. It's the most common way you will use the interpreter, for example for running a Django development server or just for executing a Python script. Another way to start the interpreter is using the C flag, with a command argument executing a statement. Commands should be enclosed in quotes. For instance, quickly get system information, or perform calculations in one line. So simple and quick. Moreover, some Python modules can be used as scripts. Run them using Python, flag m, module and list of arguments. This executes the module as if you typed its full name on the command line. For example, set up a simple HTTP server on localhost port 8000 serving files from your machine. Or run the Python debugger to debug your script. To run a script and then enter interactive mode, add iflag before the script name. This allows you to perform additional operations on variables or functions after the script finishes. It's useful for testing purposes. Moreover, adding a Unix shebang line to your scripts allows them to be executed like a shell scripts. Set the script's executable permission using change mode command. Very convenient. And that wraps up this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.